Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 12.2 question number 2 remaining sums and question number 3. In question number 2 we have already started in previous class. Express the following numbers in usual form. Already it is given in standard form and you have to express it in a usual form. 5.8 into 10 to the power 12. Power is positive. It is showing that the number is bigger than the given number. So the number will be 5.8 into 10 to the power 12. So how many places the point will move? Yes, as because from this one the point will move 12 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So including this 8, the point will move 12 places. That means 11 zeros will come here. You have to write 11 zeros here. So including 8, we have to write 11 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now can you see the point is moving in the right side? So the result will be 5, 8. Then 11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this will be the answer of this usual form. Understood? Now come to the next sum. Next sum is 3.41692 into 10 to the power 6. It is also positive power, so point will move in towards the right side, point need to move. So the result is 3.41692 and the point will move 6 places towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? So how many places the point will move? 6 places. Positive side, right side, the point will move right towards right to make the numbers larger. Whatever the number is here, it should be larger one. So 4162692, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and there you have to write 10. So the actual number will become 4341692. I hope this will be easy for you now. Next sum is question number 3. Express the numbers in standard form. The statement is given. From this statement, you have to write the answer in standard form. See the question, read the question here properly. 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 10 to the power 6 meter. So what we can write here, actually the sum is like this, 1 by 10 to the power 6 meter. In the denominator the power is 6. When you will shift it into the numerator, then what will be the result? The result will be 1 micron is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. And you can see that it is a standard form also, negative power. Okay, come to the next sum. Charge of an electron is, look at this number, 16 coulomb. 16, not 16, 16 coulomb, because it is far away from point, so I can't tell it 16. It is 16 coulomb. So what you have to write? You have to write it in a standard form. So what will be there? 16 by, the answer may be 16 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 to the power 20, or you can do directly also, as the point is moving right side. The point will move how many places? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and then 1. So how many places it is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 and 1, 19. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Point is moving towards right side, so power will come negative, you know, and the number was so small, you are trying to make it 1 point something, so the power will be negative also. There's so many ways you can think and you can understand why it is 10 to the power minus 19, and 19 places it has been moved, so it is minus 19. This is also from question number 3. The statement is given, the size of a bacteria is, can you see clearly? Size of a bacteria is, check the number, size of a bacteria is 0.00000005 meter, and you have to convert it into standard, you have to write the usual number into standard form. So the point will move, you can see that point will move in right side, so the power will come in negative. 5.5, not 0.5 into 10 to the power, after one places there was no number, so point I will shift here. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Size of a bacteria in standard form is, it will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 7, okay, meter. Whatever the unit is given, you have to write the unit also. Next sum is size of a plant cell. Size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. Again the same case, point will move in right side. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After one digit the point will be dropped here. So there the point will move in right side. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So the answer is 1.275. 1.275 into 10 to the power, how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power minus 5 meter. Size of a plant cell equal to 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. I hope this will be easy for you once you will get the clue. Once you understand the way we are doing the standard form to usual form and usual form to standard form, then it will be very easy for you. Practice it, students. Thank you.